we are from genetic trend, and I must follow his political career line. And in this regard, my dear brother, I am coming to APC principally because there is an adage that says your child cannot be having a protuberance buttock, and there is a bead. Because of the protuberance now, you put the bead on the buttock of another child. It's not possible. Tinubu is our son in Yoruba land. In this regard, from our personal position throughout the whole Southwest Labour Party, that was why we collapsed the Labour Party structure today through Senator Adeyeye. We are now working for Tinubu, and he's going to win.
Southwest chairman and leader of the Labour Party, Engineer Omotoso Banji, and all the other leaders, presidents. About 10 days ago, we started this move for the Labour Party members in the Southwest to collapse the party and decamp to APC, because inside them they want to support Asiwaju Bola Tinubu. And there is no way they can do that if they don't come to join APC. And what is particularly interesting is that they want to join APC through swagger.
Talked about the foreign exchange. How is going to make foreign exchange a one singular policy in this country, whereby you do the rate at which you exchange money in Lagos is the same rate you exchange money in my village in Ekiti. He has out the issue of health sector, how we lose money a lot into the foreign land. What we are appealing to people today is, let's support this man. Let's give him that chance, the opportunity to turn this country around. 10 years ago, 15 years ago in Lagos State, when you go through Babbage, it's always flooded with water. This man has turned Babbage to a small Holland. Most people that travel abroad know that Holland, which is Dutch, is underwater. Happy Omini Holland, wow, Dutch is underwater, but there is no flood. And the man did the same thing in Ahmadu Bello way, created a new Atlantic city where he pushed water backwards, and he told people in Bayelsa State that, listen, what I did in Lagos, I will replicate the same thing in Niger Delta. Why can't we give such a man an opportunity?